This is the Hoel Pond crossing. Let the wind swing me around. Boat launch. That's where I put in over there. Up there is where I'm going. See you guys in a little bit. And that's where we came from. This is Turtle Pond. Right there's the portage we just came across. And up there's the outlet to it. We're going to be skinning through that pretty quick here. Just wanted to give you a quick look around on this one. Spin the boat around a little bit for you. Okay, around this little point right here, there's a campsite. And around that point, there's a campsite. I'm showing you from this side because the sun's shining over there and it's hard to get any pictures of it. I'll see what I can get from the other side. Well, this is where I sit. Yep. This is the end of Turtle Pond. And I can't remember the name of this little pond we're coming into. I'll put a little caption in there if I can remember to do it. If you come in here, plan on a little bit of little canoe drag. Nothing major. It's only from here down to right there where that water's rippling. Okay, I'll see you at the next leg. Canoe carry for Long Pond. This is going to be my last carry of the day. Nice little entrance for it. Long pond. My camp's up there around the corner. Be there in a little bit. Look around. Well, this is my homestead, Site 5. I don't know if you can see my tent up in there. I'm already set up. Got me a nice little beach to come up on. This is Long Pond. Beautiful view. I don't know if you can see the mountains over there. Came into focus, I'm not sure. Bing pond. 5th pond for the weekend. This is probably the last one as far as I'm going to go in. Today was supposed to be a rest day, but I decided to come over here.